Hey YouTube fam, welcome to our YouTube channel. Excited to share our latest adventure, our first ever hike. We kept it short because rain was on the way. We up at 3 a.m., grabbed our friends and headed to Seymour Mountain. The parking lot was empty and really dark. Took a quick picture of the map and followed the red tags uphill. First 30 minutes of the hike were a bit tough, but we got used to it. We took breaks and we hit the top by 6:45, 6:50 a.m. in the morning. We knew the sunrise time was 7:23, so we wanted to reach the top before that time. We set up our camera for the sunrise. We set it up on the time lapse and enjoyed the view. It was really beautiful, like sun playing peekaboo through the clouds. After sunrise, we did some fun exercise, some fun activities on the top. We had our coffee on the top. And we saw a little bit of rain, so we started our hike back down. We saw colorful leaves, fall is here, snapped some rain pics. And we headed home. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments what would you like to see in the next video. Stay tuned for more fun and exciting videos, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.